The medium-term project, that is the phase we are in. And inshallah, that will continue or conclude significantly until 2025. And this is the period of expansion and development. And that is what, CPEC Phase 2 is all about. And what we envisage to achieve, it is the balanced regional economic development, processing and manufacturing industries. And that is what Pakistani economy need to really turn around. And also, last but not the least, the people's livelihood. And there are a number of initiatives in that area as well. The long-term projects are going to continue until 2030, and this is what is called the period of maturity. The mechanism for sustainable economic growth would be evolved and implemented, and in this most important period, CPEC to play the leadership role in the region, and that's what you have heard, that it is the major initiative of China, and China CPEC is part of the flagship initiative of OBOR, One Belt, One Road. Now let's see in the phase 1 what we have already achieved, and this is what the outcomes of CPEC phase 1. In energy alone, more than 5,300 megawatt of power projects have already been completed up and running. Matiari-Lahore transmission line, 880 kilometer, and this is the first time we have this kind of technology which was implemented. And although it's a very long line, 880 kilometer, but it is offering very insignificant losses, and that is what the pain point of Pakistan is, the transmission and distribution losses. The projects which are under implementation, these are 3,500 megawatt, and out of this, more than 45% are the renewable project, especially in hydel and wind, and over 4,000 megawatts are project at the planning stage. And in this particular stage, these projects are the ones which are mainly renewable project, and especially the hydel. And that's what we are saying, that now the focus is going to be on environment-friendly renewable energy projects.